Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching the video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen property location and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about the amenities of this property, so you can see on the screen. Credit card, photo ID and check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Policies. If you are planning to book it, available in the description. For booking or more details, check description below. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this property, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already checked out from this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.